Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be talking about what documents can you load to a virtual data room. What is a VDR? A VDR is a secure online repository for storing and sharing confidential documents. VDRs are typically used during mergers and acquisitions, fundraising, and other business transactions where multiple parties need to have access to sensitive information. What documents can you load to a VDR? You can load a wide variety of documents to a VDR, including financial documents. This includes financial statements, tax returns, and audit reports and other financial information. Legal documents. This includes incorporation document, contracts, and other legal agreements. Business documents. This includes business plan, marketing materials, and other documents that describe your business. Intellectual property documents. This includes patent, trademarks, copyrights, and other intellectual property documents. Human resources documents. This includes employee resumes, job description, and other human resources documents. Technical documents. This includes product specification, engineering drawings, and other technical documents. Here are some specific examples of documents that you might load to a VDR. For a merger or acquisition, financial statements, tax returns, audit reports, incorporation documents, contract, business plan, marketing material, intellectual property document, employee resume, job description, product specification, and engineering drawings. For fundraising, pitch decks, business plan, financial statements, market research, team bios, product demos, customer testimonials. For other business transactions, joint venture agreements, license agreements, non-disclosure agreements, due diligence report, project plan, regulatory filings. Tips for loading documents to a VDR. Here are some tips for loading documents to a VDR. Organize your documents before you load them to the VDR. This will make it easier for you and other users to find the documents they need. Use prospective file names. This will help you and other users to identify the documents quickly and easily. Load documents in a variety of formats. This will ensure that all users can access the documents regardless of what software they are using. Use security features to protect your documents. Most VDRs offer a variety of security features such as document encryption and access control. Use these features to protect your confidential information. Here are some additional thought on what documents you can load to a VDR. You can load any documents to a VDR that you need to share with other parties in a secure way. This includes confidential documents such as financial statements, business plan, and legal agreements. You can also load documents to a VDR that are not confidential but that you want to keep organized and accessible. For example, you might load marketing materials, product demos, and customer testimonials to a VDR to share with potential investors. When loading documents to a VDR, it's important to consider the needs of your users. For example, if you are sharing documents with potential investors, you will want to load documents that are relevant to their investment decision. I encourage you to use a VDR to store and share your confidential documents. A VDR can help you to protect your information and streamline your business processes. Conclusion. You can lead a wide variety of documents to a VDR. By following the tips above, you can load your documents to a VDR securely and efficiently. That's all for today. Hope you have understood the well, and thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.